Welcome to Lesson 9 of the class Dutch Pronunciation for Beginners, Consonant Letters. In this lesson, we'll learn the main pronunciation and spelling rules of two consonant letters, L and R. These letters are taught in the same lesson because they have certain similarities in pronunciation. Let's first look at the letter L. If the letter L is followed immediately by a vowel, it's generally pronounced as L. It's the same as the consonant in the English word low. For example, laat, les, leeg. If the letter L appears immediately after a vowel, it's usually pronounced as the dark L in English, like in the English word eel. For example, bell, touw, hail. However, if the letter L appears between a vowel and one of these consonant letters as shown on the screen, it can be pronounced either as a dark L or as a syllable L. For example, this word can be pronounced as elf, but it can also be pronounced as elf. This word can be pronounced as milk or melk. And the last word can be pronounced as film or film. Now let's move on to the letter R. This letter can be pronounced in different ways. For the sake of simplicity, I'll explain two common ways to pronounce this letter. The first common pronunciation is sometimes called the rolling R, which sounds like this. R. This sound is produced by rapidly vibrating the tip of the tongue against the hard palate. It's important to relax your tongue when pronouncing this sound. Otherwise, the tongue tip will be too stiff to vibrate. Let's look at three example words. Raam, ramp, rood. Another common way to pronounce the letter R is to vibrate the uvula. It sounds like this. This is very similar to the pronunciation of the letter R in French. Let's look at the same three example words. Raam, ramp, rood. Both the rolling R and the French R are correct. You can choose whichever you're most comfortable with. If the letter R appears after a vowel, there's an easier way to pronounce it than the rolling R and the French R. You can simply pronounce it like the American R, as in the English word far when pronounced in an American accent. Let's look at three examples. Maart, hier, meer. When we talk about this situation, it's worth mentioning that if the letter R appears between a vowel and one of these consonant letters as shown on the screen, some native Dutch speakers will insert a vowel after the consonant. For example, this word can be pronounced as arm or arm. This word can be pronounced as dorp or dorp. And the last word can be pronounced as verf or verf. Again, you can choose whichever you're most comfortable with. Before we end this lesson, I'd like to point out another important difference between the pronunciation of the English letter R and the Dutch letter R. In English, the letter combination TR is pronounced as one consonant, tr. as in the English word tree. In this situation, it's incorrect to pronounce the consonant letters T and R separately. So it's incorrect to pronounce this English word as tree. Similarly, in English, the letter combination dr is pronounced as one consonant dr, as in the English word dry. It's incorrect to pronounce this English word as dry. In Dutch, however, the letter R is not fused with the preceding consonant letters to form one distinct consonant. Instead, if the letter R appears after certain consonant letters to form a cluster of consonant letters, these consonant letters should be pronounced as a consonant sequence. Let's look at 3 examples. Draak, traan, schrijven. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.